Hello, everybody. I wanted to make a quick video to go over today's foundational skills lesson with you before you get started on the rest of your assignments for the day. I hope you're all behaving yourselves for the sub. Today, for the foundational skills, we're going to be looking at words that have the same base word. So keep in mind that once we know the base words, we can use those base words to figure out the meaning of a lot of different words. So today we're going to look at these 4 lines and we're going to look at the base words that are the same and what those base words mean. So I want everyone to look at line 1 and I want to see if you can identify what the base word is. If you think you know what it is, go ahead and say it quietly out loud. Okay, the base word is observe, and observe means to watch. So let's see if we can figure out some of the meanings of the words in line 1 based on the meaning of observe. We know that the first one, observant, is one of our words for this week. And it means someone who or something that watches. The next one is observance. We've already had the suffix ance, which means state of being. So this is the state of watching. Then we have observatory. This is a place that we can observe or a place to watch. And the last one is observer. The suffix er at the end of a word means a person who. So an observer is someone who watches. Very good. Let's look at line 2. What is the base in line 2? If you know it, quietly say it out loud. Good. The base in line 2 is study. Study means relating to studying or attempting to learn or remember. So the first word is student, someone who studies. Studious has to do with relating to study. It's kind of like a way to describe someone who studies. It would be a descriptive word, like a character trait almost, to describe someone who studies. The third word has a prefix in front of it, re-study. Re means again, so to study again. And then understudy, we have the prefix, or we have the word under before the word study. So it's like the person below who studies the actor's part in case the actor, something would happen to them and they would have to be replaced. Great. Let's look at line 3. What is our base in line 3? If you know it, say it quietly out loud. Good. The base in line 3 is norm. Norm, as we know from social studies, has to do with what's the accepted behavior in a culture. So we know the word normal, that's one of our target words, and it means kind of this expectation, this quality of fitting that norm. Abnormal has this prefix in front of it that makes it mean not normal. Then we have the word enormous, which means being great in size. It's being out of the norm, being above and beyond the norm, which has to do with this idea that it's bigger than the norm and it's a large size. And then normalize, we have that suffix "ize" that we've already seen this year, which means to make. So to normalize means to make normal. Great. Last one. So for line 4, I want you to look and see if you can find the base word. Very good. The base word is commerce. And commerce has to do with kind of trade. Okay, so we have the word commercial, which we've already seen. We also have the word commercialism. Ism is an action. So commercialism is the action of having the characteristics of commerce. So trading and buying things like that. The third word is non-commercial. I think we all know what the prefix non means. It means not. Very good. So non-commercial is not commercial. It's not going to have to do with trade or buying and selling of things. And then commercialize, once again,